Police to prosecutors and people in the community, combating violence takes everyone's help. Today, Virginia Attorney General shared the progress of a crime-fighting initiative called Operation Ceasefire. Angelique Arintok is in the studio to explain how it's worked so far. Angelique.
Dana, 5 local cities are part of Operation Ceasefire. State officials first announced the initiative in October 2022. Fast forward to now, they tout it as a proven and effective tool backed by a bipartisan group of lawmakers.
Well, this is what happens when federal, state, and local partners get together and work.
The list of 13 ceasefire cities in Virginia includes Norfolk, Hampton, Newport News, Portsmouth, and Chesapeake.
This collaborative approach of intervention, prevention, and prosecution has led to real substantive reductions of crime.
Virginia Attorney General Jason Miyares says violent crime went down by 26%, 8%, and 11% in Norfolk, Portsmouth, and Chesapeake, respectively, from 2022 to 2023. Operation Ceasefire also pours grant money into organizations like Portsmouth-based Big Homies Community Outreach. Co-founder and director Eugene Swinson explains why programs like his are important.
Positive influences that they get here versus what they might see in the neighborhoods that they come from.
Thanks to the help, they now have vans and secured this space for their recreation center.
We ran these programs, the same thing, but inside of their neighborhoods. So now we're able to take these kids from London Oaks, Dale's Home, Southside, and bring them here every day after school.
State officials also say efforts under Operation Ceasefire pulled more than 10,000 illegal guns off the streets. Virginia's House of Delegates Speaker Don Scott says the latest budget set aside more than $22 million for the initiative spread across the next 2 years.
There is a way to continue to be smart in how we do public safety, but be fair in our criminal justice system. I think you can do both.
And I asked Miyares whether they plan to expand the list of ceasefire cities. The answer, he says, will depend on the state's final budget and what Virginia's General Assembly wants moving forward. In the meantime, the AG notes their commitment to focus on the 13 currently designated cities. Back to you.
All right, thanks so much, Angelique. The rest of the ceasefire cities are Richmond, Petersburg, Roanoke, Emporia, Lynchburg, Martinsville, Danville, and Hopewell.